Hello friends, my name is Gauri Sonone from KK College, Arts, Commerce and Science and Computer Science College, Bhausabnagar, Pimples, Ramachi. Firstly, my subject is physical chemistry and chapter number 4 is phase rule. Firstly, some definitions of the phase rule in system and phase and component is the most of the definition. The first of all, the phase diagram. First one is the phase diagram, shows the region of pressure and temperature at which its various phases of thermodynamically stable. Second is phase boundary. A boundary between regions shows the values of pressure and temperature at which two phases coexist in equilibrium. Second is the phase diagram of water. The phase diagram of water, it is the first the phase diagram of water is the statement of the phase rule. The phase rule of the number of phases present in the equilibrium, there are three phases. Firstly, and the number of components is 1. Why number of components? The water is the only one component of the phase diagram. There are three phases, that is the solid, liquid and vapors, and triple point is 4.579 and Torr. The phase diagram having the water are one component system. Next point is the Gibbs phase rule. The phase rule is F is equal to C minus P plus 2. This is the phase rule. The phase rule where F is the degree of freedom, C means number of component, P means number of phases at equilibrium for a system of any composition. This is the equation for Gibbs phase rule. Second is the Gibbs phase rule. The degree of freedom, it is denoted by F is it is the number of external variable that can be changed independently without disturbing the number of phases in equilibrium. These are pressure, temperature and composition are the degree of freedom and it is denoted by F. Next is component. Component, a chemically dependent constituent of a system, means the number of component. The component is water or under anyone. Next is the number of components. It is denoted by C. The minimum number of independent species necessary define the composition of all the phases present in the system. And next definition is phase. What is meant by phase? A state of matter that is uniform throughout in a chemical composition and physical state. Next is the phase rule. The number of phases, it is denoted by P. Gas or gaseous mixture, single phase. Liquid is the 1, 2 and 3 phases. That is the 2 totally miscible liquid, single phase, a slurry of ice and water, that is the 2 phases. And second one is the solid phase. A crystal is a single phase, means the ice are in a solid component. And alloy of two metals, the 2 phases is immiscible and 1 phase is the miscible. Next point is the phase rule. The diagrammatically in A and B diagram, the difference between A means is the single phase solution and in which the composition of uniform or microscopic scale, and B is the dispersion containing 2 phases in which region of one component are embedded in a mixture of second component. There are 2 phases. First phase is the microscopic scale and composition is the uniform, and second phases are the matrix or a second component. Next is the example of two phases in a phase diagram. First one is the phase is a material in a region of a different in microstructures and composition of another region. Compound A diagram is homogeneous in a crystal structure and atomic arrangement, having some chemical and physical properties throughout, have a definite interface and able to mechanically separated from its surrounding. And next is the phase diagram of water. The phase diagram of water in ice, liquid and vapor, and phases of diagram: the melting phase, freezing phase and boiling phase. The melting phase having the solid compound melt to the liquid phase, the boiling phase having liquid phase are in vaporized phase, and freezing phase is the boiling of the compound in a freezing state. Next is the water phase diagram, that is the pressure and temperature. The first upon 1 atmosphere 218 atmosphere in pressure, and temperature is the temperature freedom is the T3 position, and TB means boiling, temperature is freezing, boiling and melting, and the line of point region in diagrammatically there are still three phases: solid, liquid and gases, and compound none is the boiling, freezing and melting. This is the water phase diagram. Next is a simple example of water. Firstly, at the triple point P is equal to 3, but triple point means 3 state. Firstly, solid, liquid and gas. C is equal to 1. C means component, and P plus F is equal to C plus 2. F is equal to 0, no degree of freedom. And second is the liquid and solid curves असेल तर P is equal to 2, 2 plus F is equal to 1 plus 2, and F is equal to 1. One variable temperature and pressure can be changed, and last one is the liquid. P pressure is equal to 1, F is equal to 2. Two variables temperature and pressure can be varied independently, and the system will remain a single phase.